From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, welcome to Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering business funding. A lot of you guys have been interested in how to get business funding, okay? There's a lot of different companies and lenders out there that sometimes you guys might have tried and didn't have much luck with, or the terms weren't that great. I have 3 private lenders. Unfortunately, I cannot disclose who they actually are because they don't have an actual affiliate or partner program set up yet. But all you have to do is fill out this form that we created, okay? And it's going to come directly to me, and then I will forward it on to my 3 private lenders. You're not going to get spammed by a whole bunch of different lenders or whatever. Based on what you fill out on this form, it's going to get sent to one of the 3 preferred lenders that I deal with, and they will contact you and ask you for more information, such as bank statements and a little bit more about your company, and they'll see what they can offer you. Typically, the turnaround time is about 24 hours from the time that they reach out to you. They're going to ask you for banking documents, like your banking statements, and a little bit about your business. You email them that, and then they'll have usually sometimes same day an offer for you. You DocuSign. Sometimes you have to send a voided check, whatever it may be. Some offer somewhat like a merchant loan where they say give you $30,000 and they're going to direct deposit out of your business bank account, say $120 Monday through Friday for so many months. Or they'll give you, like, say, a draw loan, say a $20,000 draw loan that you can, say, draw $5,000, $10,000, whatever you may want to draw that you're approved for, and then it will be taken out of as a monthly payment. And then some of them also offer up to 24 months a set amount term loan as high as, say, even $100,000 to $200,000, as long as your company meets the requirements. So just a little bit of requirements. You really need to be making a minimum of $5,000, okay? Minimum of $5,000 and 3 months in business. That's really kind of the starting point, okay? Higher the better as far as earnings. If you're a newer business but you have a lot of earnings or gross, it's not necessarily net that they care about. They care more about your gross sales. So what you have coming in, that's what they care about. They will also look at not just your business bank account, but they're open to look at other things like, say, your merchant accounts that you may have, or if you get paid, say, through PayPal or Stripe or Square or Spotify, eBay or Shopify, eBay. They're willing to look at all that. So these are more flexible lenders. The 3 private lenders I trust. I've used them myself. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Just fill this form out and your information is secure. There's disclaimers to show that everything is secure with me. I'm liable for, obviously, the information you're submitting, so it is going to be secure, okay? So let me just go through the quick application real quick. Website's going to be below, going across the screen. All right, it's bizloanapps.com. And what you're going to do is it's going to come to this page. It's just a quick 5-minute application. It's 6 steps. Sounds like a lot, but it's not very long, actually. Your first name, last name, your business name. It says business DBA name. forget about the DBA. It's actually just business name. Put your business legal name that's registered with the Secretary of State and the IRS. Years in business. So you can say looking to acquire a business, haven't started business yet, 1 to 3 months, and it goes all the way down from there, 10 plus years. And then average monthly revenue, 0, 1,000 to 4K, 5,000 to 9,000, and then it goes up from there up to $1 million. Your mobile number, and then your business phone number, your email, industry type. Pretty much we have every type of industry in here, so select which one best fits your business. And then the amount requested. Again, keep in mind, if you're pretty much with all business funding, I don't care who you're going to go through, if you're earning, say, $50,000 a month, typically 99% of all lenders are only going to give you anywhere from 20 to 50% of what your monthly earnings are. You know, sometimes they'll give you 100% if you have a good personal credit score. But just keep in mind, what I'm offering you here, some of these private lenders that I'm working with, these three, they don't look at your personal credit score. They're more looking at your business financials more than anything. So if you're doing, say, $20,000 a month in revenue, then I would put 10 or 20,000 somewhere in that ballpark. They're going to tell you what they can qualify you for, okay? It's no hard credit check or anything like that either. So the second page is your business name. So just like before, it shows here your business DBA name, but then it has business name. It's kind of repetitive, but some people have DBAs. That's why we had to put that. Step 3 is your business address. So put your full business address. If you work out of your home, whatever your Secretary of State and IRS has listed for your business, put that there. Next step is choose your business entity type: corporation, partnership, LLC, limited liability partnership, sole prop, and S corp. Keep in mind, if you're a sole prop, chances are we can't get you funded. Just the way it is. Business start date, state of incorporation, and then your tax ID. When you put in your tax ID, don't put the dash, just put the numbers only, because it doesn't accept the dash. All right, then you're gonna go to next. And then after that, you're gonna put your date of birth, your home address, and that's it. Your home address, that's it. You're in your date of birth, okay? And then there's terms and conditions here. It's businessloanapp.com. That's my website, this site. And it basically says Van Horn Marketing LLC or its affiliates, VH Marketing, Get Business Credit. You can read through that, but it's pretty standard terms. It's just basically saying that we're going to keep your information secure, but we're not asking for your social security number. We're not asking for any like really sensitive personal information. So it's not a big deal. Just make sure you accept the terms and conditions, and then communication opt-in, you authorize, and this is just opting in that we're allowed to text you, and that's only for texting you like, hey, we have an offer for you. Are you interested in this offer? Okay, and then make sure you do this CAPTCHA. It can kind of be annoying, but make sure you pay attention to this and do uppercase or lowercase, whatever the CAPTCHA is, and then just hit submit. And then once you do that, within 48 hours, you'll have somebody probably contact you. It won't be me, but it'll be one of these three private lenders. It's not going to be all three. It's going to be one or two of these lenders that I will forward on based on what the information that you input in there. I will review it, or my staff's going to review it, and we're going to send it to what lender we think you're going to have the best chance getting approved with. Okay, so that's all for this video. All the information will be in the description below. We're trying to get you guys funding on alternative methods and alternative lenders, so just keep that in mind. This isn't always based on your personal credit score, but also if you have a good credit score, that's great, because you know that increases the chances for approval. But it's not necessarily that you need to have a 800 or 750 FICO score. A lot of these 3 private lenders, they don't really pull your personal credit, and if they do, it's going to be a soft pull. They will go over all that. I'm just kind of the middleman, getting the information and passing it on to them, because they cannot accept the information directly by their website. Okay, and they are legitimate. They are on the internet and stuff, but I just cannot disclose that based on what they told me. Okay, so if you're looking for alternative funding, fill out this application, simple application, and then I'll pass it on, and then I just give me feedback after you fill out the application and somebody contacts you. Come back to this video, post what you know, what they offered you, and if it was good, bad, you know, it's all going to depend and stuff, you know. But I mean, definitely don't expect that, you know, you're a brand new business and you're asking for $100,000 and you have bad credit score and no business credit. Don't expect that you're going to get $100,000. That's just not going to happen. Be realistic. But they do loans, I think, low as $5,000 and go all the way up to, I think, about $1 million. So with all that being said, that's all for this video. You guys take care. Till next time. See you later. Bye-bye.